In this video, we are going to be learning about how we can easily delete junk mail on AOL Mail application. Deleting junk mail in AOL Mail is a straightforward process. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Tap open the AOL Mail application from your app drawer. Make sure that you are signed into your account as well. Tap on the inbox icon at the bottom left corner and select Spam from the list. Select an individual junk email you would like to delete permanently. If you have multiple spam emails, you can click on the little circle at the top and tap on Select All at the top right. Once you select all the emails in the folder, you can now tap on the delete icon at the bottom left. To confirm the deletion, in the pop-up window tap on OK. And that's how you will be able to delete junk mail on AOL. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.